am making a vegan butter pecan ice cream, and my secret ingredient is Lucuma powder. So I don't know if you're familiar with this. It's called a superfood. Not a big fan of that word, but it's made from a fruit called Lucuma that comes from Peru and Ecuador and Chile, and it's very high in vitamins and minerals, fiber, and it's a sweetener. So it's a natural sweetener. So it tastes like, some people say butterscotch, some people say a cross between a pear and a sweet potato. So that's why I picked it for my butter pecan ice cream. So to make it creamy, I am using a half a cup of cashews and 2 dates. And I had both of these soaking in water. I would soak them for about an hour. And I'm going to add 1 cup of water. So I have 1 cup of water, my half a cup of cashews that were soaked, and my 2 dates that were also soaked. And I'm going to blend it until it's smooth. Alright, now I'm going to add a tablespoon of the Lucuma powder. If I can open up my blender. I got this new blender with a fancy lid and I can't open it. Alright. 1 tablespoon of Lucuma powder. There are a couple of different brands. This one's Terrasol, but I'm trying to remember the name of the other brand. Anyway, there's a couple of different brands. Just make sure that it's just, that's all it is. So the ingredients here, organic Lucuma powder. All right, 1 tablespoon of the Lucuma powder and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That already smells so good. Gonna just blend that. Oh, it made a mess. And then I'm just going to throw in a handful of pecans. Wouldn't be butter pecan without it. Maybe 2 handfuls. I have little hands. All right. Just to get it mixed. All right, now I'm going to pour this into ice cube trays. And then I'm going to freeze them. And then when they are frozen, I'm going to throw them back in the blender to make my creamy nice cream. Because right now it's too liquidy for ice cream. All right, so here is what I have right now. See if I can even out my ice cubes. You can see some of the pecans stuck on top, and that's all right. So I'm gonna stick this in the freezer, and then I'll be back to finish it for you. Okay, I'm back, and here is our ice cream in the ice cubes here, in the ice cube trays. So I left this in the freezer for just an hour, and so now I'm just going to pop them out. I love this little ice cube tray. Can you see it? It's silicone, and so you can just pop out the ice cubes. And knock them in there. This tastes so good. I just can't get them all out. Here we go. Alright, so now I'm just going to blend it for just a second. Oh, I gotta get one more clump. I don't want to do too much because I don't want to soften it too much, and I don't want to blend up the pecans. Just want it nice and creamy. So if you don't want to use cashews, you could always use oats or even macadamia nuts, but I know a lot of people, they don't want to use nuts, so oats are a great idea. That would make a nice creamy ice cream. Here is our butter pecan ice cream. It's delicious. Where is my spoon? Can add a couple more pecans to go on top. There we go. Our butter pecan ice cream. If you make this recipe, please let me know. Post in the comments and share. Subscribe to my channel. I do have other nice cream recipes as well, so I'll tag them in the links below as well. So make some butter pecan ice cream tonight and enjoy.